what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel Cryptosonic. So dear fans, today I am talking about a very hottest crypto project that have a massive national inside. I will explain each and everything related to this amazing project, so don't skip any part of this video. So before going to start further review, I would request you, if you are new on my YouTube channel Cryptosonic, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification of all upcoming videos notification. So let's start the review now. So dear fans, today I am going to discuss about Terra Classic Loan C. So I will explain each and everything amazing this project. So I will using the Terra Station wallet, and I will tell you how can you install and how can you trade there on Terra Classic as well. So here you can also check out its current price as well, and you can also check out more information related to this amazing project. So let's check out how can we install Terra Station wallet and how can we trade Terra Classic Loan C there as well. So dear friends, first of all you need to come on the Play Store, and here you can also find out the Terra Station wallet and you need to install it. So it is very easy way to get install and make an account as well. So file is installing now and successfully download, and you can easily install and you can make your account as well. Now it install, click on the open, and you can also check out, and we can easily make our account here and we can trade on Terra Classic Loan C as well. So dear fans, here is some updating. You can also check on the 3.72 MB. It get less than a minute and you can easily manage here, and you can also check out. So here first, welcome aboard. Terra Station is your gateway to the Terra ecosystem, and you can also check or you can skip, it is up to you. Now click on get started to start exploring here, and we can easily create our account here. So dear fans, you can also check the interface is very user friendly. You can easily use this wallet and you can trade. So dear fans, you can also check that we have done. Now here we need to connect or click on connect, and we add a wallet here. So you can choose new create wallet, and then you need to enter wallet name, password, confirm password, and here you can also check out your mnemonic, and you need to hidden this one and don't reveal to anyone, and then click on I have written down the mnemonics and then submit easily. So you can check that I have entered information. Now click on the submit, and you can also check here we need to select the word of 15th and 21st, and then we can easily submit as well. Now I have selected 15th word and 21st. Now click on submit button, and wallet generated successfully. You can connect now. You can choose any wallet here. You can also check out, dear fans, here you can also check out the Luna as well, and you can also click on the Sonic Crypto one. Here you can also copy the address of the Terra Classic as well. Now you can also send payment from any other cryptocurrency wallet or exchange where you have your Terra Classic as well, and you can easily send here. You can also make trade here. You can also do easily swap here. You can also swap your Luna with any cryptocurrency wallet here. You can also check out the all other wallet detail and cryptocurrencies in which you want to be swap. You can easily swap to here. You can also stack and make a lot of profit as well. So here you can also check and you can stack and earn a lot of reward here as well. Here you can also check out other coin tokens or coins that are be available to stack, and you can make passive income as well. As you can also check out more information here related to this amazing project. So this can really help to make a lot of profit, and must be use Luna like that Terra Classic as well. It can really help to make a lot of profit as well. So dear friends, here if you come on the coinhall.org, and I have placed link in my video description. So here you can also check out the PizZap with Loan C as well. You can also check out the current price here as well. You can also check out the market cap 23.0k dollar as well. You can also check out the flow and liquidity detail as well, and you can also check out all information here as well. You can also check out and you can also trade, and you can also check all information. You want to be pay loans with PizzaBee as well. Now you need to connect Terra Classic wallet, and then you can easily swap here. So simply click on it, and here you can also choose which wallet you want to be connect. So I recommend it to all of you. Terra wallet here, that can be easily, so here you need to scan QRC code and you can easily connect your wallet. So here you need to allow wallet, and then you can also check wallet is successfully connected. Now you can easily swap here and you can trade as well. So this is an amazing opportunity for you to make a lot of profit, so must be join this one and make a lot of profit as well. I hope so you like this video and share with your friends. See you next video. Thanks for watching.